Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail that's been selling really well in our bar. It's called the Liquid Marijuana. It comes from the States. I'm going to start with 20ml spiced rum, 20ml Malibu, 20ml Midori and 20ml Blue Curacao. Same with sugar syrup and lime juice, 20ml each, and then about 125ml of pineapple juice. I'm going to do it in a tiki glass just because it looks better. Fill the glass with ice. And give it a good shake. Strain into your glass. And now I'm going to garnish this with green straw. I've got a lemon wheel with a cherry and a couple of pineapple leaves. And there you have it, liquid marijuana. Cheers everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.